souls. I wanted to, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm going through. I am literally processing all of the energy that is being constantly recycled back from the Saturn Moon matrix system, because of the fact that this matrix system is not yet completely collapsed, any of the timelines that they are still continuously projecting into the, I'm hearing, atmosphere. So in all kinds of ways, all kinds of ways, meaning all kinds of platforms, and it's always something renewed, so it's always something added into this system, basically, to make sure that no stagnation is happening in the physical realm. So we cannot really find out, we believe that this is how life is, and this is how life progressing, and this is how life is evolving. So there is a projected false reality that is picturing a constantly changing reality in one or other form, or all of the forms, they are telling me, like, the financial system, all kinds of systems, the educational system, all of the system, medical system, technology especially, all kinds of things. And there are always new things coming out, but it's a different way of projecting this false reality timeline into our 3D reality, because they can only project it on the level of 3D reality, and that is what makes this world the illusion. There is no other way, because the illusion is projected on a low negative vibrational frequency, and that is only can happen on the first 3 chakras, on the level of reality that connected to those energy vortexes that we call root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus, as well as all of the even lower, I'm called to say, realms. And what I'm doing and why I'm doing that, because it keeps coming back, that I need to talk about it. I need to make sure that it's clear that where this is coming from, and why is this going on with me, what is happening. And each and every time that I am asking for confirmation and understanding and clarity from the divine, from the divine and my divine guidance team, they are always telling me exactly the same, that I'm because I'm really, really strong. Those are my dominant elements that I'm working with. The strongest within me are the fire element and the water element, and these are the most powerful for me, and these are the most the not like the others. I haven't mastered it. I don't mean that, but I'm mostly predominantly working through, and all throughout my spiritual awakening process and inner work practices, I'm mostly engaging with these elements. These are the most powerful elements for me, and these are that I'm predominantly working with. And this means, especially through my videos, and I'm communicating, so I'm using my throat chakra most of the time. I meant that the most of the time, as I'm using my throat chakra, speaking these messages out, the only way, so at the same time as I'm channeling the message, because these are pure messages, I have no prior thinking, no prior strategy, no prior anything. I'm not bullet pointing, not scripting, not ChatGPT scripting my videos. I am purely channeling the videos and the messages that I'm picking up on, as I'm picking up on the energy. And the reason why this is not really my personal, you see, that they are trying to block this. Or maybe this is the collective not understanding or confusion energy that is interfering with my message right now. It's really clearly in the etheric realms. That's what they are telling me to say. And I'm really strongly feel this coming at me. And the reason why this is coming at me, and probably as a result of that, it manifests, because it cannot help, but it manifests in the physical realm as well, especially if it's long enough looping, in the mental, spiritual, emotional levels of reality, then it seeps into the physical sooner or later, and it manifests into the physical reality, which is, I don't feel that is really manifesting, but just people do not understand. It makes you confused. And why? And what I'm also feeling like to talk about is like why you are talking to us, how you're talking to us. I'm speaking to mostly light workers, and why you are not talking about the other topics, spiritual topics that other light workers are talking about, and why you are addressing us so much on a consistent basis. And the really simple reasoning behind this is because you are the creator of your experiences. It is not something outside of your world and reality that needs to be addressed, because the root cause is only and entirely within you. So if you are already awakened to that realization that you are the creator of your experiences, then you obviously, out of the victimhood mentality, out of the victimhood emotionality, and out of the victimhood on the spiritual level as well,